today I recreating a young lady on Instagram. I will have her information below. Okay, as you can see, I have one eye already done, and I will be using the P.Louise. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'll be using the P.Louise Secret Sinner palette. It's a very beautiful palette. I really like it. It's very cute and it's huge. This is humongous. See if I can show this to you without blinding you. But there it is. That is very. This is big. This is some big pans right here. I would say. I just enjoyed it. I mean, it's very pigmented. I mean, I just really like it. Yeah. So, okay, we're gonna get started. First, when I already have my eyes primed with the P.Louise eyeshadow base, and I also use the my LA Girl Pro concealer on my eyes, and I end up using this one. This is in the Rumor shade number 2, the Rumor. So I use that, and so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the shade called Love Shy, and it's this, gotta figure out a way how to do this, and it's this shade here, right there. And I'm sure you all seen this palette all over YouTube and Instagram. P.Louise, she's a makeup artist over in the UK, I think. I think it's in Manchester. And so she, you know, came out with this nice concealer, and then came out with a palette and all these other color concealers. So yeah, I did have my, and basically I'm just patting this color in. And where I got this particular look from was from on Instagram, and I'm gonna try my best to recreate it. I don't know if I get exactly like it, but I'm gonna give it a shot. And basically I'm just patting this all into my crease area. I'm not really like swiping it just yet. I'm just really just packing this color in. And then I'm going to go ahead and kind of brush it in a little bit before I move to my, for my next shade. I'm going to go in with the color. Let me see here. It's this color called, I think it was in the, no, Velvet Kiss, which is right here, I think. Velvet Kiss. And I'm gonna go on the outside of that color, and I'm just gonna be blending that in, so I can get rid of the harsh lines, and so it can make it a kind of gradual. And I don't think she used this particular palette. I think she used the concealer, but not this palette. And let me see if I can show you what she looked like. It was this look right here. I don't know, like I said, I don't know the exact colors, but I really like this look. So I'm just going to go ahead and give it a shot. And I think this palette is perfect for it because the colors, you know, they're very vibrant. It's very pigment, and these blend out pretty good on my lid here. Really, really good. Okay, and next what I'm gonna do is use this brown color, and I'm going to use a smaller brush, and I'm going to use the color Love Struck. Is that brown shade, and I'm going to be putting that like still in the crease, but concentrate that out on my outer V area, and that just basically to darken it up a little bit more, so when I cut my crease I can it just look. And I'm gonna take the some of that concealer off my lid, because I want I don't want the concealer to mix in with the eyeshadow that I have on. And I'm just basically gonna take some of this off of here, off my lid, and I am gonna put more concealer on, but I'm gonna use the white base. Okay, I'm about to take this concealer brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and carve out a crease. And I'm not trying to cut it like super perfect. It's just enough so I can put the other shade on. And this brush is a Royal Nickel brush in a SG 155. Okay, now since I have that on my lid, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in those same colors that I used to go into my crease area. And I'm going to put that on the ends here, on the outer V area. Called In Lust. I'm put that on my lid as well. And it looked like she used two different shades, maybe like a lighter burgundy shade, but I'm just not for sure which one. But like I said, I'm gonna do my best to recreate this look. And I'm just going to put this all over my lid. And then I'm going to do some blending. Blend some of that dark shade into this glitter area. And next, before I do anything else, I'm gonna go ahead and add my lashes. I have the lashes of the Jordan Woods lashes. I just found these out that they were available. I went to my local Ultra store, and I got these way before all the drama happened. So, but these are some very cute lashes. They're very nice, very pretty lashes. I like them. They're pretty natural looking too. So I'll be right back, and we get to the foundation. On the Tarte Face Tape foundation. I'm using the color 49G in this color, so I never tried any of the Tarte's concealer, so this will be my first time trying their foundation. And I'm just putting like about 3 pumps on my brush here. I'm putting this on with the brush, and I already put primer on. I wore this before. It does have a good coverage to it, which I like. It looks a little yellow at first, but it does oxidize some. So yeah, looking a little crazy now, but it does oxidize. Does have a little bit of a smell, but nothing overpowering. Nothing overpowering or nothing, so it's good. Get this here out the way. Next one I'm going to do is pat this in with a sponge. Smooth it out a little bit. And from here I will be using the Fenty concealer, and this is in 350. And it seemed to go, this goes a long way. Because this is kind of drying a little bit. And next what I'll be doing, I'm going to add some powder, and which is I'm going to be using a mixture of this RCMA powder to my up under my eyes, where I've actually put the contour at. Put this left over here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and contour. I will be using Black Radiance, the medium to dark contour. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to dust this and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add the eyeshadow, reapply that shadow that was up under my lower lash line. Add some more to that, because it kind of got lost. And I'm just using this Dose of Color palette for that, since they do have similar shades in this palette. Be using the ColourPop Boomin' highlighter. I always get a lot on this cheek. It never fails. Oh gosh, look at that. I'm gonna have to fix this one. and high points. My forehead. Okay. And next I will be using the James Charles palette for my blush. I kind of like this shade that's in here. And it's actually, I'm going to try out this shade right here. You can, such a big palette. I'm going to use that. You really literally just need a little bit. So before I put on my lipstick, I'm gonna go ahead and spritz my face with some Mario Badescu spray. And from here, I'm going to be using the NYX liner to line my lips in the color Espresso. I'll be using the color Single from Color Rain, this right here. Okay, this is my finished look here. I hope you like it. It's a little different. I try my best to recreate the look, but I kind of like it, so I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. And yeah, follow me on Instagram at I have a new Instagram name, so it's the Karen Makeup. Well, the Karen _ makeup. I have it flashing around here somewhere, and I'm still on my other IG page is Naturally to Speak. So yeah, I think that's it. So thanks for watching, and yeah, see you on my next video. Bye.